Hello, and today we're going to be showing you how to enable the lead capture functionality in your ApexIDX account. This will give you the ability to lock people out from searching on your IDX account. The first thing we want to do once we're logged into the IDX is go to Settings on the left and then IDX Settings. Once we're on this section, you'll see an area for VIP membership. On the left side, we have require users to sign in to view listing details. This allows us to set a certain number of listings they're allowed to look at before they're required to create an account with you. And then on the right, we have require users to sign in to search properties. And then again below that, you have a box there where you can adjust the number for how many searches you want them to be able to do before it requires them to sign in. So you can adjust these numbers according to what you think works best, and you can come in here and adjust them at any time. Then once you've set those, you can go ahead and press Save Changes at the bottom, and then you're set to go. Thank you for joining us on this video, and we'll see you in the next.